What's up, guys? Charlie, possibly read the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator. Yeah, my guys, what's up? You don't have to look rich, my guys. You don't have to look rich. The goal is to be rich, not to look rich. Yeah, you don't make money and spend it. Stop working hard to make money and spend it. You don't make money to spend it. We make money to invest it. This be the reason we dey work hard just to make money, so we go invest that money for our money to work for us. You dey bab. So you go feel go relax, so you go feel go sleep, then your money dey work for you. This be the mindset my guys for always get. We know they make money to spend out. We know they make money to pay bills. We know they make money to feed family. That be poverty thought. We dey make money to invest that money so that our money can work for us. Our money will be working whilst we are sleeping. Our money will be working whilst we are enjoying life. Charlie, and they always talk say if you come this world inside where you no enjoy life, where you die, I send you more. Hey, you waste your life. You for enjoy life. Without money, you know if you enjoy life without money, which enjoyment you dey go enjoy? You dey bab. So work hard, save your money. Work hard, save your money. Plan on something better. After you finish planning, invest that money into what you have planned. Make that money dey work for you. Then you dey sleep. That be the reason why we dey work. My guys, so our money will work for us. You guys should learn how to spend your money. My guys, plenty of you for learn how to spend your money. Most of you, they use your money wrongly, badly, because you won't impress somebody, or in the name of trying to look rich, or in the name of trying to show off, or in the name of trying to tell somebody say you are a better person. You know they make sense. You know they make sense. Manage your money well. They say rich man no be the person wey he dey hold money. Rich man no be person wey he dey misuse money or he dey spend money rough. Rich man be the person wey you know how to make money or how to manage money and get more out of that money. That money, that block you get, you still know how to invest them, you know how to push them into angles. That money no work double and bring them more money. That be rich man mentality. My guys, that be the mentality you guys for start to get. You for know how to work hard, get 100 cedi, 200 cedi. How you go invest that 200 cedi, then into it start to work for you. Whilst you start the work, they make another money. Then they invest that one too. Then into the work for you. So before you go see your income, they come from different angles. So at the end of the day, one day, if before the day will end, or from morning to evening, then 5 cedi come for here, 100 cedi come from here, 200 come from here, 700 come from here. Because you say at the end of the day, then if you make like 100 cedi a day, right now you make like 3,000 a day. You start to make money with that. You see, it is simple, but plenty guys don't know how to use their money. They say what follows learning as if it was its shadow. That means the more you dey learn, the more you dey earn. Learning then what? They work hand to hand. If you want to be rich man, you for always dey learn, you for always dey read. They say whilst the poor they outside, they chill, they have fun, they watch TV, they do unnecessary things, thinking he's trying to be okay in life. The rich man sits in comfortable chair inside. The whole book they read. Maybe the book they read in topic be how to invest. You they see the mindset. Man guys, you they see the mindset. This be the mindset I want most of my guys make them get. Charlie, make you people know the door. Make you people know the door. You see, they say you should hunger for what? By hungry for learning. The more you learn, the more you earn. It be simple law of nature. The more you learn, the more you earn. But that one no be automatic. That thing no be automatic. If you learn, when you no put the learning into practice, once I come be do, you go hungry. That be the thing where let most university guys, people with them say them complete all the education in the world. They sit down, they find work. They know they try put in anything. They know they try invest in anything. They know they try use the mind. What you go learn. You know they try use them. They do something, but rather they apply for work. They look for work. They work. Then you go see a whole graduate. Somebody you go feel use in mind. They do something. Then they house for like 5 years. Say you know get work. You waste in life. Money you waste plenty. Take go school. Now I not shakai. Charlie, guys, before grow up. After learning what you learn, put them into practice. After learning the things you learn, practice them. Take them work. Let that things make it fetch you money. That be the reason why you go learn. You see if you go learn finish, where you know put that learning into practice, how you go fit make money? My guys, how you go fit make money? Charlie, possibly be the name, aka the ghetto youth motivator, aka the girls dem slayer. Man guys, Charlie, make you people like, subscribe, then you share. Right now, as you see the channel they grow small. Hey Charlie, you guys they love me. Right now the views are starting to get already. Hey Charlie, that means I did do something very good. When I see my view, the last video, I say, oh really? Wow. So guys, I beg you, make you people try subscribe, then you share, then you comment. Yes. Recently, to actually say 1 or 2 of my guys, they tried to comment. They told me where I have to improve here and there, Charlie. The channel, I don't go fit do them alone. I go fit do them with you, my guys. So I beg you people, make you people put your hand, make you people comment, make you people involve yourself. So you go fit make the channel a better one. So we go fit do what we learn together. Yeah, possibly be the name.